Do you smoke, Otto?
Nein, no.
Let me see. Italian cigarettes? I wonder where they came from.
Perhaps they are Giovanni's.
He doesn't smoke as far as I know.
There are no keys, gentlemen. I believe we should break the door to Professor Kinski's room. Something bad might have happened.
I agree. Let's move. The door won't open. We need something sharp.
Anna, would you go to the kitchen and get us a knife?
Certainly.
It's in the room, just below us.
Great! I found a knife.
Good. You found one. Give it to me, please. Great. This is just what we needed. Thanks, Anna.
Is he?
He's dead.
Oh my god!
It looks like his heart is stopped.
Maybe he was killed.
No, I don't think so. The room was closed, and I don't see anything suspicious on his body.
And the girl?
Claudia?
Yes. She told us that Professor Kinski complained about his heart. So it probably...
This is terrible.
It is.
Walter, could you stay here? Anna, could you please go to reception and telephone the town police and call the ambulance?
Absolutely.
Anna, have you called the police?
The telephone does not seem to be working.
Yeah, it's old, and sometimes the wires get crossed. Could you look into it?
Certainly. I tried to fix the telephone, but it is still not working.
Yeah, I'm afraid there was a lot of snow tonight. The telephone lines have been affected.
What should we do?
Anna, can you walk to the nearest town? It's only 2 miles away. I would really appreciate it.
I will try. Oh dear. Whose car is this, and how did it get here? I should examine it. Great! I found a photo.
Back so soon, Anna. You managed to reach the town?
No. There's a crashed car outside the gate, and the road is covered in snow.
A car? Is anyone inside? Maybe they're injured or frozen.
No, I checked. It was empty. Is there another way to reach the town?
No, that's the only road. We had the same problem a few years ago, in the winter of 1928.
What should we do?
There's nothing we can do. We shall have to wait until the road is cleared.
Look, I found something interesting. Yesterday, I found a photo album with some of the photos torn out. And just now, I found a photo.
Intriguing.
Yes, but the most interesting part is this. Look at the photo. It's Professor Kinski.
Let's go back to reception. I found something also. I found a photo that was torn to pieces. I'm sure it was taken from my photo album. Place the album and the photo you found on the table right here. We should try to rearrange the photo pieces so they fit the frame. Anna, place the album on the table, please. Place the photo here. Now, rearrange the photo pieces. This is very interesting. The two photos are of Professor Kinski and Professor Clark. And Professor Kinski is dead. I don't know what to think about this.
This is strange.
Truly. Pardon me, Anna, but I have guests to attend to and a dinner to prepare.
Of course. We shall talk after dinner.